Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Crimson Desert and the game keeps crashing on your computer, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix Crimson Desert crashing on your computer easily. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to go to the games platform and then you're going to go to your games directory. So if you have the game on Steam, the default directory should be in your C drive, program files 86, Steam, Steam apps, common, and then you're going to have the Crimson Desert folder here. Just open it, right click on the Crimson Desert exe file, click properties, go into compatibility, and then what you're going to do is you're going to click on to run this program as an administrator, and you're going to click on disable full screen optimizations. After that, click apply and then OK. And now what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu. You're going to write here graphics settings. And then what you're going to do is you're going to click on to add desktop app here. You're going to go to the Crimson Desert folder here. Add the Crimson Desert exe here and then click onto it. Click onto GPU preference and then select high performance on here. After that, what you're going to do is you're going to verify your game's files. So just open up your game's platform. I'm going to use another game as an example, but you're going to click on Crimson Desert, click properties then, click on to install files, and then click verify integrity of game files and let it verify the game's files. Once it's done with that, now you should be able to play Crimson Desert and you'll see that the game will not crash anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.